Since the forced ouster of President Jean-Bertrand Aristide on February 29, 2004, thousands of followers of his Lavalas family political party have been killed, forced into hiding or exile, jailed and hunted down by the US-installed government of Gérard Latortue. All of this occurs under the watchful eyes of the international community. UN forces now occupy Haiti after relieving special forces and military units from the US, France, and Canada. They are in Haiti under a UN Security Council resolution to stabilize the country for upcoming elections. Meanwhile, at odds with the UN mandate, thousands of Lavalas supporters continue to take to the streets, demanding the return of their constitutional president.
There was about 10,000, I'd say between 10 to 15,000 Lavalas demonstrators from all the popular neighborhoods. They came up from as far as Cité Soleil, Matissan, Solino, and they massed in Bel Air for this huge march, all of it again calling for the return of who they consider to be their constitutional and rightful president, Jean-Bertrand Aristide, and to call attention to the plight of Lavalas political prisoners, thousands of them held in jails today. Not just in the capital, but in the countryside as well. Things were going pretty well until it became clear that the United Nations was going to allow the SWAT teams to enter the demonstration again. They are just renegades, and today they proved it again, because the only thing that kept them from firing was my camera and several other brave Haitian journalists.
I'm an international terrorist. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Tout le monde qui dit reconnaître que Aristide, c'est un dictateur, c'est un voleur, c'est un nègre qui t'a crasé le pays. Pour aujourd'hui.
Les voleurs de biens publics, les assassins.
Son pays, il y a un pépinière de bandits.
I'm positive that things are gonna work in the near future, and we are sure that in order to have good, fair elections next October, next November, and next December, we need a climate of stability that we are going to achieve in the near future.
We continue our coverage on the ongoing purge being carried out against Haiti's Lavalas pro-democracy movement by the U.S.-installed puppet government, with a death squad national police force now and UN peacekeepers doing the bidding of the United States. Haiti's killing fields have indeed been reopened for business ever since the UN peacekeepers arrived, and very little has made it into the mainstream press.
You're on a street called Des César, and you could see the ocean out in the front, and people were laughing and joking and screaming and yelling and chanting and singing and dancing, and people along the route were cheering us on, and some were joining, and it was really a festive, very festive time. And then all of a sudden there was a huge boom, and people just fled in all directions, and there was followed by another boom.
Mais qu'est-ce qui tire le même?
Ministère.
Mais est-ce que tu as un affrontement dessus entre deux groupes?
Non, ministère n'y paraît. Ministère n'y paraît, c'est balayage sous peuple même. Tirer sous monde, tirer sous caille. Il n'y a pas de caille ou fermé ou tirer là-dedans.
Mais combien de monde qui mourent?
Quand on voit ici, il y a des gens qui font mal, des gens qui mourent, mais il y a des gens qui mourent.
Il y a des gens qui vraiment des explications, et puis c'est même pas sur tout le monde.
Mais ça, blanc, il a fait. Les entrées dans la cité, le peuple cité a reconnaître. Si blanc est entré dans la cité, là, c'est protection pour venir bailler peuple là. Mais ce n'est pas désordre pour venir faire ou même craser bref. Même quand il a dit oui, c'est vagabond oui, qui dans la cité encore qui a crasé mon encore. Vous comprenez? Pour l'autre arrive, vous avez joué protection. Bon côté blanc, c'est eux même qui veut tirer balle dans la nuit, c'est eux même qui tirer balle dans la journée. Ou la même là qui veut dire moun nan cité solaire pas gagner soupe avec blanc ça yo.
Eh bien, nous venons là pour nous dire, Sanel Joseph, ou de quoi dans Jésus, ou pas mourir. Sanel Joseph, ou de quoi dans Jésus, ou pas mourir. Sanel Joseph, ou de quoi dans Jésus, ou pas mourir. Et Sanel, nous connaissons grand maître là à bonne victoire. Il y a trois grandes puissances. Il y a trois grandes puissances qui ont participé dans le kidnapping président Aristide.
Et je ne dis à nous constater, nous avons un plan 184 là pour nous. Nous avons un contrat social là. Nous suivons. Nous avons tout événement ça a dit fait. Masse peuple n'a pas vivre, masse peuple n'a pas respirer.
This footage just shows incontrovertibly that the United Nations is responsible for targeting unarmed civilians in Cité Soleil. There's no other way to define these images and what's clearly present in this footage.
Pour mourir tout parce que je ne suis pas de l'autre côté, c'est Marie qui détruit l'espoir. Mais chaille. Marie me chaille, Marie me chaille. Marie me chaille.